Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop! Jamaica, stop!
So, for 40 straight years, Jamaica has topped the medal table, which was expected. They topped it with 71 medals, 28 gold, 27 silver, 16 bronze.
Come out the person from Barbados that said that Jamaican should not allow to compete in the Carifta game.
Okay, team, listen. We're going to the Carifta Games. This is also known as the Jamaica Games. You're not going there to win. You're going there to come second. Do your best, which is not first place. You're going to lose, but I'm going to feel proud of you. This is the Jamaica Games. You're not going to win. They're going to win. Follow your coach's instructions. All right, go.
Beautiful people, once again, welcome to another episode of People Who Hate Jamaica or People Who Envy Jamaica. Now, the reason why I'm calling this is that the other Caribbean nations have came out to the internet and said that they want Jamaica removed from the Carifta. Now, you tell me if that makes sense to you. I know I have viewers from all over the Caribbean and this video doesn't mean no harm. But also, do you think that coming to the internet and saying that Jamaica should be removed from the Carifta makes sense? Ladies and gentlemen, this video is majorly meant for educational and entertainment purposes, and if I'll offend anybody in this video, please, I'm asking for your forgiveness. So I'm your host, Tyrell Reactions, and I need to play for you these videos, and you'll see what the other nations have said about Jamaica continuously winning when it comes to track and field. So watch this video and then I'll be back with a few discussion.
Somebody watched Carifta game the other day and realized that out of the 120 medal, Jamaica alone take 43 of the medal. But that's not what I come out. I come out the person from Barbados that said that Jamaican should not allow to compete in the Carifta game because of our population. Let's get one thing straight. Jamaica population is roughly 2.8 million people. The population of the Caribbean is 40 million people. Haiti is in the game. Haiti have 12 million people. I don't hear you say nothing about Haiti. I think a one medal Haiti get. It's not the country population that do it. It's the work that the athletes put in, and the Jamaican athletes put in the work. Apart from that, I've run into a lot of Caribbean people here in Kingston on a weekly basis. Trinidad people big up on yourself, Guyanese big up on yourself, St. Lucia, Turks and Caicos, and Dominica Republic. Those are the nicest set of Caribbean people I've come across. I don't know about anybody else, but those are the nicest set of Caribbean people I personally come across. Barbados people, we always have this negative vibes about them, this negative spirit, and try to look down on other people. But you know, I wasn't gonna say anything until I see another comment from someone else from Barbados talking about Jamaica is so poor, the people them have to eat chicken when wash up on beach where them don't know where it come from, and comparing your guys' GDP to Jamaica GDP. I know a lot of you have never been to Jamaica, so you have no idea what Jamaica is like. Is there ever hell show with that container washed up? Poor people not live a hell show. If you not have money, you can't buy land or build a house over there. So you see the type of vehicle them where the people them drive go pick up the frozen chicken. Who none of them vehicle there Barbados? A basic, the basic car them wanna have a Barbados. Luxury vehicle na there Barbados. Me can tell you that. When you go talk about GDP now, Jamaica debt to GDP is 68%. Barbados debt to GDP is 101% as of 2025. As much as a lot of us don't like Andrew Owners, me see the Jamaican government buy 70 new bus the other day and never have to borrow no loan. Right now, if Barbados government want 2 new bus, them have to borrow a loan to buy that. Barbados is a broke motherfucker. Stop comparing GDP. Next time you go in at the supermarket of Barbados and take up a 500 ml of Pepsi, go up on your phone, do the conversion to Jamaican dollar. A bottle of Pepsi in your country is 400 Jamaican dollars. It's $150 in Jamaica. Talking about Jamaica poor and how you guys have Rihanna, this is a billionaire. Jamaica have around 6 billionaires. hating on Jamaican and don't realize that it was Mr. DJ that boss Rihanna. That song that she did, Hey Mr. DJ. That's dancehall. If it wasn't for dancehall, Rihanna wouldn't be known. Jamaica is known for its beauty, its athletes, its music, its culture, its food. Barbados is known for Rihanna, and she's not even 100% Bajan or Barbadian. I know you guys don't like when people call you Barbadian. She's also half Guyanese. Yeah, you guys are also known for a jawstring bridge in Bridgetown. That little bridge that lift up for the yachts to go underneath. The capital also named after the bridge, Bridgetown. No disrespect to Rihanna because she didn't say anything negative about Jamaica. But at the end of the day, Jamaica have the Marleys. Jamaica have Sean Paul. Jamaica have Cartel. Jamaica have Spice. Jamaica have Shensia. Jamaica have Shirley Ralph. Jamaica have Naomi Campbell. If me fi name out all of the famous people them from Jamaica, it's gonna take me one day. If it comes across a Benz GLE in Barbados or a Porsche, it's possible a government official driving it or one of Rihanna family members. Those type of vehicles are very common in Jamaica. Very common choice of vehicle for young people in their 20 and 30. Another thing that you don't have a lot of over there is board house. Board house stop where at Jamaica. People no longer build board house. Stroll through any ghetto now in Jamaica and you see a 2-floor concrete house ago. Big nice house. And even though a lot of us don't like Andrew Onis, would never give up Andrew Onis for Mia Motley. Mia Motley only good for give speech. Every time I see a video of Mia Motley is a speech she give. Andrew Onis know how to thief milk out of coffee and we rate him for that. Good GDP now do it again. It's spending power, and that's something Jamaicans have. Spending power. See, another person mentioned how Jamaicans need visa to go everywhere and you guys from Barbados don't. You know why? Because you know a easy walk over. So them can control you easy when you enter them country. Jamaicans are go-getter and very unruly, so we need visa to go everywhere. Cause when Jamaican gone away, them go there for creep and bring you back to them country. Jamaican will come to Barbados, come work, drive with you in your Tida every day, go to work and make you brag about your Tida and have a Benz GLE park up down a yard or a Bima. Jamaicans will watch you brag about your 2-bedroom Rihanna country style house we stop where and have a big old 2-floor house park up down here. Another thing, without Jamaicans in the Carifta game would be cancer. There would be no fun in it. Jamaica host champs. The National Stadium in Jamaica is the biggest stadium in the Caribbean, and it was full.
So for 40 straight years, Jamaica has topped the medal table, which was expected. They topped it with 71 medals, 28 gold, 27 silver, 16 bronze. But is the Carifta Games becoming more competitive? Because I've seen other countries making improvement in terms of their medal tallies, and I'll look into it in a bit. So last year Jamaica won it with 78 medals. This year 71, so they lost 7 medals. Last year Bahamas came in second with 37. This year they came in third with 30 medals. Last year Trinidad came in third with 25. This year they came in with 35. So they gained 10 more medals. Last year Barbados came in 9th with 14. This year they came in 4th with 17. So they gained 3 medals. So last year Jamaica won 5 gold medals out of 9 relay events. This year they won 4 out of 9 relay events. So a little drop off there. And so there was no sweep. And as I said earlier, you see the countries like Trinidad and Barbados who gained some medals in the medal table. So I can say that it's getting a little more competitive now, and probably more exciting, which is kind of good. Because we all know Jamaica is going to win the medal table. We know that's going to happen, but seeing more competition makes it more interesting. And also, there's a lot of athletes from other Caribbean islands who are going to high school in Jamaica. And I've seen some of them at Champs and I've seen them at Carifta. So hopefully next year we'll see more competition.
Trinidad disses Jamaica.
To beat them Jamaicans, because them Jamaicans are them soft. Oh gosh.
Well, congratulations to you. You are the gold medalist for the boys.
A few moments later.
Stretch, Corn is inching ahead, Striker is fighting back, Hall is back in third, Corn, that's a stun! Rose wants to leave with the gold medal, St. Vincent and the Grenadines in fourth, down the home stretch they come. Rose for Jamaica, Pedro, St. Vincent and the Grenadines and Grenada following. Here they come. Chavon, Pinnock has the baton now for Jamaica. Third leg of the silver medal winning 4x100 team last night. Is this his moment of glory?
No. Just throw the whole sport away, bro. There is no way that I'm reading that she ran 9.8 on a 4x1 relay. No way, bro. I don't care that it was a rolling start. I don't care about none of that, bro. 9.8 is flying. When I tell you she got that baton and took off, oh my goodness. You know what? I done said too much. Just watch this, bro.
The Jamaicans back in front with Shanoya Douglas and Anchor. A super change for the Jamaicans. The world under 24x1 gold medalists are moving away. Alex Henry has the baton for the Trinidadians. But look at this run from Jamaica.
They went out there and ran 43.76. When I tell you that's flying, that is flying. You ain't gonna find much teams going sub 44. No girls teams going sub 44. Well, you'll find a couple in Texas, but that's neither here nor there. I mean, your whole relay gotta be on point to go 43.76. I mean, guaranteed. But if you got a leg on your relay splitting 9.8 as a high school girl, oh, it's easy. Barbecue chicken every time. It's like, realistically, the rest of your legs don't even got to be that OC for it. Oh, I got a 9.8 anchor. I just need to be in the mix. She gonna get it done for us. This is nothing new to Jamaica. I know this. Y'all been watching greats for as long as I know. The whole island got speedsters, but this one is next up. Shanoya Douglas is definitely next up, bro. In the same meet, she ran 11.1 into a headwind. So it's like, you know she's like that. Now, you know at Jamaica Champ, she ran sub 11. She ran 10.98. So it's like, bro, now you split 9.8. Dang. Again, I know it was a rolling start. That's cool. That's cool. A lot of people not splitting no 9.8 with no rolling start. Guaranteed. She's just a real deal holy field. Well, as long as all of Jamaica are real deals.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've had a lot of things. We've had people say that this country is racist. This country has a lot of high insecurity rates. I mean, people have talked about other countries for various different reasons. Now, here we have this one issue. I don't know if I should call it an issue, but we have this thing going on whereby other Caribbean nations are calling out for Jamaica to be removed from the Carifta Games. Yes, they are calling out Jamaica to be removed from the Carifta Games, just as you've watched in this video, ladies and gentlemen. Now, you know, this feels like saying that in a school, people are protesting against that bright kid, that this kid should be expelled from this school. And the main reason is that this kid keeps on winning, this kid keeps on defeating the other kids in school, and blah blah blah, and all of that. Now that's the reason. These Caribbean nations, they want Jamaica to be removed from the Carifta Games because Jamaica is too good. Now, for one, it's all about perspectives here. Now, from my perspective, I feel like some of these people are being cowards. Because why would you call upon Jamaica to be removed from the Carifta Games just because Jamaica is being good at the track and field? That doesn't make sense, ladies and gentlemen. They want Jamaica to be removed from the Carifta for being too good, for continuously dominating the world of track and field. Well, for those who have a car, You imagine you remove your engine from your car, from your motorbike, from whichever thing you use as a mode of transport, as long as you own it. Now you remove it, you remove the engine from your car, and you expect your car to run smoothly. Jamaica is the face of the Caribbean. Jamaica has been crowned as the most influential black country in the world. Not because of its black people, no, but because of its capabilities. For one, they gave us the legendary Bob Marley. Two, they've gave us some of the best music. Three, Jamaica has given us the best dishes. Aki, we have rice and peas, we have, the curry chicken, or is it the chicken curry? Ladies and gentlemen, Jamaica has dominated the Caribbean in almost all aspects. And that tells us why people are really calling upon Jamaica to be removed from the Carifta. So if you removed Jamaica from the Carifta, how do you expect the Carifta to still have the same vibe, the same hype as before? I mean, when these people from this country of green, black, and gold are involved in any major tournament, then you understand one thing. They don't just come to cheer for their athletes. The Jamaicans, they come with the full vibe, a vibe that's suitable to everybody in that event. From the loud cheers, the beautiful colors everywhere. I mean, you cannot escape the Jamaican matrix. It's as simple as that. So when people call upon Jamaica to be removed from the Carifta, I feel like their petition doesn't really make sense. You cannot remove the brightest kid in the school because of being good at everything. Jamaica is good at everything. They do. Okay, they gave us the fastest man alive. I mean, everybody's proud of that. Jamaica, me, Africa, everybody. When you mention about the fastest man alive, people talk about Usain Bolt. When you talk about the good music, people talk about the reggae music, which of course we know it connects us to the soul. Ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about the mighty Jamaica, this beautiful island of the Caribbean. So, I don't know about you. What do you think about this petition, this movement by the people over the internet, all over the internet, that they need Jamaica to be removed from the Carifta? Do you think the Carifta will still have a face? Do you think the Carifta will still have the same hype, the same vibe, if Jamaicans are removed from it? So of course, engage me in the comment section. So I've been your host, Tyrell Reactions. If you've been watching my video for the first time, I have to say thank you so much for choosing to click on my video. As you all know, your support will go a long way in supporting my channel. So until we meet again in my next episode, I don't know which episode it will be it the normal reaction videos, be it the track and field, deep commentary and analysis. All I know is that at one point or the other we'll meet, and all I'm requesting for you is your love and your support. So until we meet then, peace out and well love.